Now that you've assembled your iWALK, let's tailor it to fit you. When properly fitted, your iWALK is easy, intuitive, and safe. Small adjustments make a big difference, so please follow along carefully. First, remove the 3 straps. Later, we'll show you where to install them for either left or right leg use. Next, position the foot for either right leg use or left leg use. Positioned properly, the arrow will be pointing outward away from your injured leg. If the foot is positioned incorrectly, the arrow will be pointing inward toward your uninjured leg. Positioned incorrectly, the iWALK will be unstable, which could result in a fall and/or an injury. Never use your iWALK with incorrect foot orientation. To reorient the foot, remove the height adjustment pin. Rotate the foot 180 degrees. Then reinsert the pin. Position the gait strap approximately 3 finger widths above the top of the knee platform. You can position it later based on your personal preference. When properly adjusted, your iWALK leg will be the same length as your good leg. You achieve this by adjusting the length of the lower section of the crutch. From a seated position, bend your injured leg 90 degrees. Position the iWALK so that the knee platform comes into full contact with your shin. Pull up on the handle to make sure you have full contact. Then, extend your good leg so that it's next to the iWALK with your heel touching the iWALK's foot. Lengthen or shorten the lower crutch section until the bottom of the foot is level with the bottom of your heel. This will get you reasonably close to the correct height. Test your setting by kneeling on the crutch. With your weight distributed evenly on both legs, your hips and shoulders should be level. If not, readjust the lower height adjustment. Loosen both thumb screws until you can lift the thigh support. Rotate outwardly to setting number 6. Repeat for the other thigh support. Now we will adjust the upper crutch height. Start by removing the 2 height adjustment clips. Once again, position the crutch so that the knee platform is in full contact with your shin. Pull up on the handle to extend the height adjustment until the inner thigh support contacts your groin. The higher you go, the more stable the iWALK will be. Now push down lightly on the handle until the holes in the tubes align. Install the height adjustment clip on the outside side of the leg. Repeat for the other side. Now we'll adjust the thigh supports. The thigh support should already be at position number 6, and the thumb screws are still loose. While kneeling on the crutch, make sure your weight is equal on both legs and that your feet are about hip width apart. Make sure the back of the handle is pressing against your thigh. Adjust the inner thigh support first. Grasp the tube with your fingers and using your thumb, rotate the thigh support inward as far as it will go. It should be in firm contact with your inner thigh. Then, rotate the outer thigh support until it comes into contact with your thigh. Then a little bit more until it's compressed slightly into your thigh. Remove the crutch and fully tighten the thumb screws. The strapping system on the iWALK is very simple, but it's often used incorrectly, so please follow along carefully. The strap consists of 2 parts. The black section is used for permanently adjusting the length of the strap. That is its only purpose. Normally, it's a one-time adjustment. The blue section is used only for tightening and loosening the straps. You will tighten the blue section every time you put on your iWALK, and you will loosen the blue section every time you take off your iWALK. In order for the iWALK to work, the straps need to be adjusted very tight. If the straps are too loose, the crutch is wobbly and unstable. Properly tightened, the crutch becomes a part of your leg and is easily controlled and stable. To adjust the straps for the first time, first remove the pads from the straps and set aside. Lift on the end of the gray buckle, then fully extend the black section. And fully extend the blue section of the strap. Install the black T-lock buckles onto the crutch. The black buckles belong on the inside of your leg, so for your right leg, install them on the left side. For the left leg, install them on the right side. Now we're going to permanently adjust the straps to the proper length for your leg. Make sure you don't have any twists in the straps. Adjust the strap length using the black permanent adjustment section until the strap is snug against your leg. Now, fully tighten the strap by pulling the blue section. The gray buckle and the blue buckle should be almost touching. The strap should be really tight at this point. Test the strap tension by trying to remove the blue buckle. It should be impossible to remove. If you can remove the buckle, then the permanent length adjustment on the black side of your strap is too long. You need to shorten it. Here's how. Reinstall the blue buckle, then fully loosen the blue section of the strap. Next, shorten the permanent length adjustment section by pulling on the end of the black strap. Test the strap length by pulling the blue section tight again. Test your setting by trying to remove the blue buckle. Repeat this process until you cannot remove the blue buckle. If the strap has the proper tension, but the blue and gray buckle are not touching, then the permanent adjustment black section is too short. You need to lengthen it. Here's how. Slightly lengthen the black section by lifting on the gray buckle, then retighten the blue side. Check again for proper tension. Now remove all three straps by loosening the blue side only and removing the blue buckle. Then remove the crutch. Replace the pads. Note that the longer pad goes in the position behind your knee. Test the straps one last time. If the straps need adjusting, loosen the blue section. Open the pad and adjust the length of the black section. To put the crutch on while kneeling on the crutch, attach the blue buckle, then tighten by pulling on the blue strap. Repeat for all three straps. To take the crutch off, loosen the tension on the blue side by lifting the end of the gray buckle, then remove the blue buckle. Repeat for all three straps. Now that you have successfully fitted your iWALK, it's time to learn how to walk with it, which we will cover in our next video.